Before we begin the tour, take a moment and look at this place, because at first glance it almost feels unreal. A modern glass mansion suspended on the edge of a massive cliff. From here, the house seems to float above the ocean, as if the entire structure were balancing between architecture and nature. But what makes this house truly fascinating isn't just its location. It's the way every line of the design was created to challenge what we normally expect from a luxury home. Glass walls that disappear into the horizon, terraces that extend beyond the cliff itself, and an infinity pool that seems to merge directly with the ocean below. From a distance, it looks impossible, almost like something that shouldn't exist. But this mansion was designed with a very specific idea in mind: to create a home where the boundaries between architecture, landscape, and ocean completely disappear. And what we're about to see inside this house reveals how far modern architecture can go when creativity, engineering, and luxury come together. So before we step inside, take one more look at this view, because this is only the beginning of one of the most extraordinary homes you will ever see. Welcome to FORMALUX 3D. Now that the first impression of the house has been revealed, it's time to look at something even more impressive: the facade. As we move closer to this mansion, it becomes clear that every detail of the architecture was designed to blend with the surrounding environment. The house was not simply built on the cliff, it was designed to extend beyond it. Large volumes of glass project outward over the edge, creating the feeling that the structure is floating above the ocean. Elegant horizontal lines and natural materials such as glass, stone, and concrete keep the design minimalist, allowing the landscape to remain the true protagonist. During the day, natural light flows through the massive glass walls and fills the entire interior of the residence. But it is at sunset that the architecture truly comes alive. Golden light reflects on the glass surfaces, while the ocean below becomes a natural mirror for the house. In that moment, the mansion becomes more than just a building. It turns into a true architectural sculpture suspended between the sky, the ocean, and the cliff. And just beyond the entrance, one of the most impressive spaces of the house begins to appear: the living room. And as we step inside, the first space that reveals itself is the living room, a space designed to blur the line between interior and landscape. The moment you enter, the first thing you notice is the openness. Floor-to-ceiling glass walls surround the entire room, allowing the ocean horizon to become part of the living space itself. The furniture follows a clean and elegant minimalist style. Soft, neutral tones, natural textures, and carefully selected materials create an atmosphere that feels both luxurious and incredibly calm. At the center of the room, the seating area is positioned to face the ocean. From here, every moment inside the house feels connected to the view outside. During the day, sunlight fills the entire space, reflecting softly across the glass and polished surfaces. But as the sun begins to set, the living room transforms into something even more extraordinary. The sky turns golden, the ocean reflects the light, and the entire space is bathed in a warm glow. In this moment, the house doesn't feel separate from the landscape. It feels completely immersed in it, a place where architecture, comfort, and nature exist in perfect balance. And as we continue through the house, we arrive at a space where design and functionality come together perfectly: the kitchen. At first glance, the layout feels clean and intentional. A large central island becomes the heart of the space, designed not only for cooking, but also for gathering and conversation. Surrounding it, warm wood cabinetry and integrated appliances create a seamless and elegant look. Everything is aligned, organized, and visually balanced. But what truly defines this kitchen is its connection to the outside. Floor-to-ceiling glass walls open the entire space to the ocean, allowing natural light to fill every corner. As the sun begins to set, the golden light reflects across the surfaces, adding warmth and depth to the materials. In this moment, the kitchen becomes more than just a functional space. It becomes part of the experience of living in this house, a place where everyday moments feel elevated by architecture, light, and landscape. And as we move through this space, we arrive at the most intimate area of the house, the master suite. Here, everything slows down. Silence becomes part of the experience. At the center of the room, the bed is carefully positioned, facing directly toward the horizon, as if every sunrise and every sunset were part of the design itself. Floor-to-ceiling glass walls remove any boundary between inside and outside. Natural light flows gently into the space, creating a soft and welcoming atmosphere. Neutral tones, soft fabrics, and warm wood finishes bring an immediate sense of comfort. Nothing feels excessive. Everything feels balanced. But what truly defines this suite is the feeling it creates. A retreat, a place where time slows down, and the only sound that remains is the ocean in the distance. And just when it feels like the house has revealed everything, a space appears that completely redefines comfort. The spa. Here, every detail is designed to create an experience. At the center, the bathtub is perfectly positioned facing the ocean, transforming a simple moment into something contemplative. Natural light flows through the glass, blending with the soft ambient lighting, revealing textures, reflections, and depth. Marble floors, stone walls, and warm wood finishes come together in a refined composition, balancing luxury and tranquility. To the side, the shower area integrates seamlessly into the design, maintaining a clean and fluid aesthetic, and a subtle touch of nature brings life into the space, enhancing the feeling of well-being. But what truly defines this environment is the atmosphere, a place where time slows down, where silence becomes part of the experience, and where every detail invites you to simply stay. And when it feels like everything has already been revealed, the house delivers its most unforgettable moment. The infinity pool. Suspended over the cliff, it creates the illusion of merging completely with the ocean. Here, there is no longer a separation between architecture and nature. The horizon line disappears, and everything becomes one continuous landscape. The golden sunset reflects across the water, creating an almost surreal scene. Every detail, every reflection, was designed to create a unique experience. More than luxury, this is a feeling. This is presence. This is what it means to live in a place where every moment becomes unforgettable. And this is where the house reveals what it truly is. Not just a structure, but a work of art. If you enjoyed this tour, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Because here on FORMALUX 3D, you'll discover some of the most incredible homes in the world. And tell us in the comments, would you live in a place like this?